It's cold, isn't it? Did you test how cold it is?
Woo! Just let her do it.
It's fine. Okay, let me go.
Ooh, what's that? Ooh,
Oh, she looks like a dog.
Oh, yummy.
We found a fish in this one time. It's gonna trip and fall. Oh man, it's gonna be great.
I just worry about the... Jack, no, no.
She really doesn't. She's gotta do it all over her face.
She's okay. She's okay. She's okay.
Is she?
Oh.
Oh, it's Flash!
He just comes over to play?
Yeah, he jumps the fence.
Oh.
Oh! Get her face. Get her face. Get her face. Oh!
Here, Jack.
And he's like not wanting to get in the water.
Ready? Go! Go!
If you point to where it is, he'll probably jump up and get it. She opens her mouth when she doesn't. She's good. She doesn't like drown in it. She catches herself. He's trying to get it. Oh my gosh. I've never seen Annie run in the water.